Microsoft started adding in a whole lot of Power BI reporting, very much aimed at statistics, data analysis, high-level views into inventory, costing, warehousing, etc. What these are allowing us to do is starting to look at things like inbound performance. So, you know, what have I received over a time period? What warehouse am I looking at? Given a worker, what's the average put away hour? What am I putting away from vendors by products? Dock to stock, what's my average put away time? So how long does it sit in receiving before it goes to its final resting place on a shelf? Here I start getting into, for the first time, hallelujah, some vendor statistics in a graphical format that isn't super weird, as well as stuff received early and late. So these kinds of screens we're starting to see more and more of with each release. This is shipping performance, and then we have some inventory accuracy data, heavily focused on cycle counting, where I'm looking at item discrepancies. You know, I counted 820 items. I have an almost 8% variance. In other words, my inventory is 92% accurate, 92.2. I can look at it over time. I can look at it by site, by warehouse. I can look at it by worker, and then I can look at it by item group. So just one more place where item groups become critically important for the analysis of inventory.